Welcome to Pinvest, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. Rising land costs and challenges in land acquisition are putting pressure on real estate projects in India, slowing down new launches and property sales. The time taken to get approvals, especially for converting agricultural land for development, has significantly increased, now stretching to 10 to 14 months compared to the earlier 6 months. Major cities like Mumbai, Delhi NCR, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Chennai witnessed a 10% drop in new housing supply in the June quarter, with 102,488 units being launched. Meanwhile, total property absorption outpaced supply by 18%, reducing inventory by 15%, according to data from PropEquity. The sharpest drops in supply were seen in Pune, Hyderabad, and Kolkata, with decreases ranging from 44% to 49%. Prashant Thakur, head of research and advisory at Anarock, noted that while sales remained robust, surpassing new launches with 107,000 units sold in Q3 2024 compared to over 120,000 units in Q3 2023, the supply of new homes dipped below 100,000 units for the first time since early 2023. He attributed this to delayed project completion, regulatory hurdles, and developers' reluctance to initiate new projects, resulting in a supply-demand imbalance. Soaring land prices are further cutting into developers' profit margins, making it difficult for them to price new projects competitively. This has led to price hikes of at least 50% across various segments. Additionally, the rising cost of land is contributing to legal disputes over ownership, further stalling project timelines. Developers, especially in high-demand regions like Bengaluru and Mumbai, are facing these issues, which have slowed sales growth and reduced the number of new project launches. According to Mallan Saslu, CEO of Provident Home, developers are not deliberately withholding projects. Rather, inflated land costs and increased litigation have made it harder to start and complete transactions on time. Larger developers are trying to navigate these challenges by leveraging expertise, financial strength, predictive technologies, and robust internal processes. Sunil Parikh, Executive Director of Assets Property Group, emphasized the need for a resilient project pipeline to weather market fluctuations without losing sales momentum. In response to rising land costs, some builders are adopting strategies like creating land banks for future developments and forming partnerships under joint development or joint venture models. For example, Prestige has invested 6,000 crore rupees in acquiring land across Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bengaluru over the past 6 quarters and plans to develop 50 million square feet of projects in key cities like Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, and others over the next 3 to 5 years. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.